Hey, good morning. Well, it is sunny and it is supposed to be a nice drying day today. Sun's out, it's supposed to be a bit of a breeze. Should be good for the land. And I'm gonna start cleaning this all up. I gotta clean up panels, gotta clean up this area so that we can set something out in the field to corral the cows and calves out in the field so that we can move them to pasture. So yeah, we got a lot on the go, no shortage of work. Trailers need to be cleaned, sprayer needs to get ready. It is basically ready. Daryl just wants to make the final touches to make sure it is good to go. But yeah, keep on keeping on. I've got the west pen basically taken apart, and as much as I can do with driving, and I just have the east pen here. I want to get the panels. If I take the windbreaks down, the air will, when there's some wind, I'm hoping that the wind will help dry out this area, get some air movement back here. So I'll take down the windbreaks. Yikes. I'm really hoping we get some drying weather that can let this area dry out a bit. I think I have the same feelings every year. I always worry that we won't get it dry back here. And some years we barely do. Alright, we're going for it. It is muddy in here, and we'll see. I hope I can get out. Get what I need and get out. Without getting stuck. Oh my gosh. This 90 degrees. Oh, you bugger. Uh-oh. I will have to go get another tractor and see if Peter can help me get out, but see if I can get myself out of here first, I guess. Yeah, it's wet. Okay, that sucks because I was hoping to get a few more panels out of there, but I really don't feel like getting stuck. It might need more time to dry, which I don't even know how that's going to happen. But anyway, I got to figure out where I'm going to get more panels from. I might try and go back to that first pen, see if we can get some there. Maybe I can drive a little better there. Something I haven't done, I didn't do last year or the year before, I didn't remove these feed bunks either, and that might actually help us get in and out and help dry up this area as well. We'll be able to clean up a little bit closer. Yep, mud. That were in the yard there that we use for shelter for the calves during the winter. I'm going to use them as my funnel. I'll use 2 of them. But these cows and calves are looking great. It'll be a whole lot nicer when we don't have to feed them. But they're going to be going to pasture full. They're not going to pasture short of feed. And I think the animals here look pretty good. They're clean. And the hopes, we just found out that we're hoping to get these cows out on Monday. The pasture should be ready Monday, so that'll be June 4th, 3rd, something like that. So, yeah. Okay, we are all set up here. Calves are looking good, I think. It's supper time, so another day in the books. It's been a good drying day. Might check a few fields, but crops will be growing today. That sun and some warmth is nice to have. And then as soon as these cows are gone, we're going to anhydrous this field. And then we're going to we'll seed this field is the plan. Anyway, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and have yourself a good one.